Hi guys, welcome back. Just want to show you something about the Simucube quick release. I see some streamers and other guys like change their wheels like this, and they almost struck their monitor and gonna break something. Well, the trick is super simple. You just turn your steering and it's gonna drop like this. So uh, zero trouble and zero risk to break something. So put it back just like this. You put the pins back and hey voila. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Peace.